Imagine making $220,000 a month just by using AI and TikTok. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how you may accomplish this. And the greatest part, this is completely free. Stay tuned because this step-by-step program has the potential to transform your life. Today, we'll look at Matt Lorian, a YouTuber who earned an incredible $220,000 in only 2 hours by using AI-generated films on TikTok for affiliate marketing. Intrigued? Let's break down how you can replicate his success. Let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing entails promoting products or services while earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. Okay, let's get started. The first step is to set up your TikTok Shop affiliate account. If you haven't done this already, follow these steps. Go to the TikTok Shop affiliate website and sign up for an account. Fill in your details and complete the verification process. Pick a niche that you're passionate about, or one that has a high demand. This could be anything from tech, gadgets to beauty products. Get your affiliate link. Once you're approved, browse the products available and generate your unique affiliate links. Now that your account is set up, let's move to the fun part, creating AI videos. Matt Lorian's secret weapon was using AI to create engaging TikTok videos. Here's how you can do it too. Select your tool. There are several AI video creation tools out there. Some popular ones include Pictory, InVideo, and Lumen 5. For this tutorial, we'll use Pictory. Script your video. Write a short, catchy script for your video. For example, if you're promoting a fitness product, your script could highlight its benefits and how it works to transform the user's workout routine. Generate your video. Open Pictory, paste your script, and let the AI generate your video. Customize it by adding relevant images, video clips, and text overlays. You can use AI-generated voices or record your own voiceover to make the video more engaging. Download and upload. Once you're satisfied with the video, download it and upload it to your TikTok account. It's that simple. With AI, you can create professional-looking videos in minutes. Here's the story of another TikToker named Lewis, who made $150,000 in 30 days with TikTok Shop affiliate. Chapter 4. Optimizing your TikTok videos. Now that you have your videos, let's make sure it reaches as many people as possible. Here are some tips. Use trending hashtags, including popular and relevant hashtags, to increase your video's visibility. Engage with your video. Respond to comments and encourage viewers to click on your affiliate link. Post regularly. Consistency is key on TikTok. Aim to post at least once a day to keep your audience engaged. By following these steps, you'll maximize your reach and potential earning. Chapter 5. Monitoring your performance. Once your videos are live, it's crucial to monitor their performance. Here's what you should do. Track your clicks and sales. Use the analytics tools to track how many clicks and sales each video generates. Analyze and improve. Identify which videos perform the best and try to replicate their success. Experiment with different types of content to see what resonates with your audience. Scale up. As you start making money, reinvest some of your earnings into better tools or paid promotions to scale up your operations. Remember, Matt Lorian didn't become successful overnight. It took experimentation and persistence, and you can achieve the same results with dedication. Here's a ChatGPT prompt for getting the most out of the TikTok affiliate program. ChatGPT is all about giving the right commands in the prompts, and it will provide you excellent strategies for your affiliate program. You can also use ChatGPT to give you new ideas for AI videos. You now have all the tools and knowledge you need to begin your own adventure. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.